I think we have to be realistic that our brains have a hard time staying in the present. And in the present, you can only really do one thing at a time. So what all the big tech companies have tried to do, and advertisers and everybody, is kind of fragment our attention and break up the present moment and layer it with multiple things. So they can sell more ads. They can, have us use multiple apps at the same time if our devices can multitask. If you took that away, I think we'd still be highly distracted. We'd figure out other ways to fill the time and, not stay present and in the now. And so we have to work harder to resist technology because it's so addictive. And especially since we have to do our work using technology for most people, it's right there. Mm-hmm. So it does take extra work. And I think that's why we need the strong monotasking muscles.